Hello, how are you? So in this video, I'm going to be giving you reasons why you should go for tutorials if you're studying for your professional exams. Because if you're studying on your own, sometimes you face challenges, and tutorials actually help you to pass your exams. So reason number one is structured learning. If you are carrying out self-study, sometimes you have information overload. You don't have a clear path of where you are coming from, where you are going, how far are you with your studies. But tutorials help you break down the syllabus into digestible parts so that you can go through the syllabus with a pace that is good. Then reason number two, expert shortcuts. Your tutor understands what this examiner needs. Your tutor should be someone who has walked the path, who has passed the exams, who has gone through some past exam papers. So that person would be able to help you to understand what the examiner is looking for, to actually understand the topics, the formulae that you need to use, some hacks on how to understand some difficult concepts. And reason number three, accountability and discipline. So if you are studying on your own, sometimes you are not consistent because you do not have an accountability partner, but your tutor acts as your accountability partner because you have a fixed timetable, a fixed schedule where you know this week you'll be covering these topics. So you are forced to study those topics, and because of that, you do not procrastinate. You are most likely going to complete the syllabus if you follow the path that your tutor gives you. Reason number four, active problem solving. So with tutorials, you actually do active problem solving because your tutor will take you through some past exam papers, tell you how you can answer those questions, how you can understand what the examiner is asking for. And with that, it can help you to actively solve problems. And as you go for tutorials, also be active, ask questions on any concept that you don't understand. Reason number five, confidence booster. Tutorials are a confidence booster. If you are in doubt, you feel like you are not ready, you can just do a mock exam. You have your tutor mark that mock exam and walk you through the concept that you don't understand. And sometimes you feel like you don't understand things, but if you then go for tutorials, you then realize that, oh, I understand that concept. You just didn't have the confidence. So your tutorials would be a confidence booster. As you study for your exams, make sure that you get a tutor. And at Actupas, what we do is we offer tutorials for actuarial professional exams. So are you an aspiring actuary? Get in touch with Actupas for your tutorials. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos, for more tips, for you to understand what it is about to become an actuary, what do actuaries do, and the like. And bye-bye. Have a pleasant day and best wishes in your exams if you are studying for any exams.